Hi there, and greetings from Denmark again. This is part 2 of cigarette rolling papers burn test. You can see this time I have different ones. I'm gonna slowly go over what kind there is. I'm gonna talk a little bit about them and how they perform when they're rolled, and how they burn when they are just like this. The first one is corn paper from smoking. If this paper is rolled in a cigarette, it does not go out. It's a free burning paper, more or less, and there's no ash coming off, and the taste is not much, but a little like dry grass. How that smells, a little bit of that taste, maybe. I really like them. So let's see how they burn when they're just like this. Actually pretty good. Oh, that's not. Okay. Well, maybe not that good, but they're pretty good when they're rolled up in a cigarette. The next one is called Pepe. These go out when, if you're not smoking on the cigarette, when they're rolled. The ash does flake a little bit, and there's no taste of paper and anything in these papers. Let's see how they perform. Pretty good, actually. So this next one is they're called Arras. Yeah, I believe they're called Arras or Arras from smoking. They do go out when rolled, and if you not smoke them, there's a little bit of ash coming off, and there's no taste of paper in these ones when smoked. Wow, okay. The next one is well known, I think. It's bamboo, and the cigarette also goes out if you're not smoking on it, and there's a little bit of ash coming off, and no taste from the paper or something like that. Oh, okay. The next one is these are from Spain, Terra Bella. I really think that these two papers are the same, although this one it says Terra Bella. It's printed in, and you can see how here. And there are two different sizes, and the size is actually the same, but two shapes. You can see the packs. But I do think that the paper is the same, because neither of them goes out when smoked. They have a little bit of ash coming off, just a little bit, and there's no paper taste in these papers. And also these papers here, these two, contains 70 leaves, so that's pretty good, and they are actually very cheap. So I like these very much, but let's see how they perform when just burned off like this. Well, they leave a lot of ash, but there's no ash coming off, and there's no paper taste. Let's see this one. It's probably the same. It's just the package difference. Yeah. So the next one is banana flavored paper, a yellow one. I thought that would be cool. They're called Jamaican paper banana. The cigarette, when rolled, does not go out, and but the ash is it flakes heavily. Actually, this is also one of the papers when you look like shit when you finish smoking them because of all the ash flakes all over the place. And they have a taste, and I'm sorry for this review, but they taste like crap. This is an artificial banana flavor. It actually, when you smoke them, it actually takes to, if you have ever bitten into a banana, into the outside of the banana, the what do you call it? I don't know what to call it, but this one here, the outside. It tastes bitter and disgusting, and that was that's how this paper tastes when smoked. They are actually, oh, they're disgusting. They're really bad. So I'm glad I just bought one pack. Oh, well, it's okay. These are horrible, horrible, horrible. So this last one for this part two, is these papers in a credit card. They do go out when rolled the cigarette. The paper, the flakes of ash is very heavy, and they have a strange kind of artificial taste of something. I can't put my finger on it what it is, but they're not good. They're really, really bad. Actually very bad papers. You can see how this is. The idea is cool though. There are 20 papers in here, and you can't find replacement papers anywhere. So, but that is actually good, because these papers are so crappy to smoke and such a horrible taste they have. I think the producer had made, what do I know, 10 million, 100 million papers and couldn't sell them. And what do we do with these crappy papers? How do we fool people to buy them? Oh, let's make a credit card or cool gadget or something, and now they can sell them. But otherwise they will be stuck with them forever. So, oh, I can see there's actually two papers here. They're very thin. But let's see how they burn in just a burn test. Pretty good, but they're horrible when smoked. They're really bad. Just buy them for the credit card, so you could put your favorite papers in there. I'm actually gonna take these papers out and throw them out after this video, and put my this one in, because these are very good. So guys, that was that for this time, and I'm having a few more papers coming in, and I will make a part 3 in a couple of days or weeks, I don't know. But thanks for now, and thanks for watching, and take care. Bye bye.